Hey friends, if you wish to fix McUICnt.exe entry point not found in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to uninstall McAfee antivirus. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps in the right pane. Now I don't have a McAfee antivirus on my system, but if you have it, simply find it, click on the three dots associated with it and select uninstall. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.